A 2-on-1 handicap match is underway. No rest for the superstar facing off against the numbers game.
What of the... Will he be able to capitalize?
Oh, there's a headbutt. He's been placed in the corner now.
He's looking for 2 for 1. Good night, nurse. This is not going to look pretty. Submission being applied. He's got it locked in. It's locked in.
Now would be, after all that punishment, he had no choice but to tap it.
This handicap matchup's in the books.
Here is your winner, the Villain.
And this victory is one for the record books.
This win is going to have them on a high for quite some time, I have to believe.
Winning's great, Saxton, but they have to start thinking about their next challenge sooner rather than later. This win won't be all that matters much longer.